Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps of connecting your Logitech Bluetooth mouse. It's a quick process that will get you clicking in no time. Before we begin, please make sure your mouse has fresh batteries or is fully charged and that it is powered on. Also, confirm your computer's Bluetooth is enabled and ready to pair. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful connection, typically taking less than 1 minute. Now, let's put your mouse into pairing mode. Look for a small button, usually on the bottom of your Logitech mouse, often marked with a Bluetooth symbol or a number like 1, 2, or 3. Press and hold this button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a small LED light on the mouse begin to blink quickly. This rapid blinking signifies that your mouse is actively searching for a device to connect with. With your mouse in pairing mode, it's time to connect it to your computer. On your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings. You'll typically find an option to add a device or pair new device. Your Logitech mouse should appear in the list of available devices, often by its model name. Click on your mouse's name to select it, and your computer will then finalize the connection. This usually takes only a few seconds to establish. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are a few quick tips. First, ensure your mouse isn't already paired with another device, as it can only maintain one active connection. Try turning your mouse off and on again, and also toggle your computer's Bluetooth off and then back on. Sometimes, simply restarting both devices resolves minor glitches. For persistent problems, check for updated Bluetooth drivers on your computer, which can improve compatibility and stability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.